Hey everyone, if Brave browser is showing a black screen when you open it, or the page goes completely blank, don't worry. In this guide, I'll show you simple fixes to get it working normally again. First, close Brave completely and reopen it. This fixes temporary display glitches that can cause the black screen problem. Next, restart your device. Yeah, system-level bugs or memory issues can sometimes cause display errors in browsers. One of the most common causes is hardware acceleration. Turning it off can fix black screen or rendering issues. Make sure your Brave browser is up to date. Outdated versions can have display bugs that cause black screens. If the issue continues, corrupted cache or cookies might be the problem, so clearing browsing data can help fix display issues. Some extensions can interfere with page rendering. Yeah, temporarily disabling them can help identify the cause of the black screen. Another option is resetting Brave settings to default. Misconfigured settings can sometimes cause display problems. On Windows, outdated graphics drivers can also cause black screen issues, so updating your graphics drivers may fix the problem. If nothing works, uninstall Brave and reinstall the latest version from the official website. This replaces corrupted files and fixes deeper system issues. And that's it. One of these solutions should help fix Brave browser black screen issue and get everything working again. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.